初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Where is the fresh vegetable section?
Where is the fresh vegetable section?
新鲜蔬菜区在哪里？
Where is the fresh vegetable section?
Where is the fresh vegetable section?
I need a cart for my shopping.
I need a cart for my shopping.
我需要一辆购物车。
I need a cart for my shopping.
I need a cart for my shopping.
How much is this box of milk?
How much is this box of milk?
这箱牛奶多少钱？
How much is this box of milk?
How much is this box of milk?
Can you weigh this bunch of grapes?
Can you weigh this bunch of grapes?
你能称一下这串葡萄吗？
Can you weigh this bunch of grapes?
Can you weigh this bunch of grapes?
Where is the self-checkout area?
Where is the self-checkout area?
自助结账区在哪里？
Where is the self-checkout area?
Where is the self-checkout area?
This yogurt is on sale today.
This yogurt is on sale today.
这款酸奶今天特价。
This yogurt is on sale today.
This yogurt is on sale today.
Do you have any frozen dumplings?
Do you have any frozen dumplings?
你们有速冻饺子吗？
Do you have any frozen dumplings?
Do you have any frozen dumplings?
I want a bottle of soy sauce.
I want a bottle of soy sauce.
我想要一瓶酱油。
I want a bottle of soy sauce.
I want a bottle of soy sauce.
Where can I find the toilet paper?
Where can I find the toilet paper?
厕纸在哪里可以找到？
Where can I find the toilet paper?
Where can I find the toilet paper?
This bread is fresh from the bakery.
This bread is fresh from the bakery.
这面包是刚从面包房出炉的。
This bread is fresh from the bakery.
This bread is fresh from the bakery.
Can I get a plastic bag for free?
Can I get a plastic bag for free?
可以免费拿一个塑料袋吗？
Can I get a plastic bag for free?
Can I get a plastic bag for free?
Do you have any low-sugar drinks?
Do you have any low-sugar drinks?
你们有低糖饮料吗？
Do you have any low-sugar drinks?
Do you have any low-sugar drinks?
Where is the meat and seafood section?
Where is the meat and seafood section?
肉类和海鲜区在哪里？
Where is the meat and seafood section?
Where is the meat and seafood section?
I need a pack of chicken wings.
I need a pack of chicken wings.
我需要一包鸡翅。
I need a pack of chicken wings.
I need a pack of chicken wings.
This price tag is not clear.
This price tag is not clear.
这个价格标签不清楚。
This price tag is not clear.
This price tag is not clear.
Do you accept this shopping coupon?
Do you accept this shopping coupon?
你们接受这张购物券吗？
Do you accept this shopping coupon?
Do you accept this shopping coupon?
Where can I find the rice and noodles?
Where can I find the rice and noodles?
米和面条在哪里可以找到？
Where can I find the rice and noodles?
Where can I find the rice and noodles?
I want a carton of orange juice.
I want a carton of orange juice.
我想要一盒橙汁。
I want a carton of orange juice.
I want a carton of orange juice.
This apple is very fresh and sweet.
This apple is very fresh and sweet.
这个苹果非常新鲜甜美。
This apple is very fresh and sweet.
This apple is very fresh and sweet.
Do you have any organic vegetables?
Do you have any organic vegetables?
你们有有机蔬菜吗？
Do you have any organic vegetables?
Do you have any organic vegetables?
Where is the snack and candy aisle?
Where is the snack and candy aisle?
零食和糖果通道在哪里？
Where is the snack and candy aisle?
Where is the snack and candy aisle?
I need to buy some eggs and oil.
I need to buy some eggs and oil.
我需要买一些鸡蛋和油。
I need to buy some eggs and oil.
I need to buy some eggs and oil.
Can you tell me the expiry date?
Can you tell me the expiry date?
你能告诉我保质期吗？
Can you tell me the expiry date?
Can you tell me the expiry date?
Do you have a discount for bulk buy?
Do you have a discount for bulk buy?
批量购买有折扣吗？
Do you have a discount for bulk buy?
Do you have a discount for bulk buy?
Where is the bottled water section?
Where is the bottled water section?
瓶装水区在哪里？
Where is the bottled water section?
Where is the bottled water section?
I want a pack of facial masks.
I want a pack of facial masks.
我想要一包面膜。
I want a pack of facial masks.
I want a pack of facial masks.
This shampoo is my favorite brand.
This shampoo is my favorite brand.
这款洗发水是我最喜欢的品牌。
This shampoo is my favorite brand.
This shampoo is my favorite brand.
Do you have any ice cream in stock?
Do you have any ice cream in stock?
你们有冰淇淋现货吗？
Do you have any ice cream in stock?
Do you have any ice cream in stock?
Where can I weigh this watermelon?
Where can I weigh this watermelon?
我可以在哪里称这个西瓜？
Where can I weigh this watermelon?
Where can I weigh this watermelon?
I need a small bag of rice.
I need a small bag of rice.
我需要一小袋米。
I need a small bag of rice.
I need a small bag of rice.
This toothpaste is on promotion.
This toothpaste is on promotion.
这款牙膏正在促销。
This toothpaste is on promotion.
This toothpaste is on promotion.
Do you have self-service weighing scales?
Do you have self-service weighing scales?
你们有自助称重秤吗？
Do you have self-service weighing scales?
Do you have self-service weighing scales?
Where is the dairy product section?
Where is the dairy product section?
乳制品区在哪里？
Where is the dairy product section?
Where is the dairy product section?
I want to buy some instant coffee.
I want to buy some instant coffee.
我想买一些速溶咖啡。
I want to buy some instant coffee.
I want to buy some instant coffee.
This trolley is a little wobbly.
This trolley is a little wobbly.
这辆手推车有点摇晃。
This trolley is a little wobbly.
This trolley is a little wobbly.
Do you accept mobile payment here?
Do you accept mobile payment here?
这里接受移动支付吗？
Do you accept mobile payment here?
Do you accept mobile payment here?
I need to get a receipt for my purchase.
I need to get a receipt for my purchase.
我需要为我的购买拿一张收据。
I need to get a receipt for my purchase.
I need to get a receipt for my purchase.
This supermarket has everything I need.
This supermarket has everything I need.
这家超市有我需要的所有东西。
This supermarket has everything I need.
This supermarket has everything I need.
Thank you for your kind help today.
Thank you for your kind help today.
感谢你今天的热心帮助。
Thank you for your kind help today.
Thank you for your kind help today.
Have a nice day and see you next time.
Have a nice day and see you next time.
祝你今天愉快，下次见。
Have a nice day and see you next time.
Have a nice day and see you next time.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。